How to share your BeReal on Snapchat. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to share your BeReal on Snapchat. But before I do, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you want to share one of your BeReal posts over on Snapchat, first what you need to do is head over to the BeReal app and find the post that you'd like to share. So what you need to do is go to my friends page and then you'll see your latest BeReal post. Alternatively, if you tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner, and you can go back to your memories and see one of the BeReals that you've posted previously if that's one you wanted to share. But I'm going to share this one from my friends page. Then all you need to do is just tap on the BeReal and you will see the Snapchat icon in the bottom left hand corner. So just tap on that icon in the bottom left hand corner and make sure you're logged into your Snapchat. So it's just loaded up the BeReal into Snapchat, and then you can go ahead and post this or send this in the usual way that you would send any messages or send any stories on the Snapchat app. And that's what it takes to share your BeReal on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.